lunOcto starts with an idea. The idea that we can all achieve wellness. To choose wellness is to choose life. It is the benchmark for your better self, a framework designed to help you make a fundamental change in your life. The goal of achieving wellness is to be in harmony with your true self. Doing so is impossible without putting in the effort to learn how to balance all 8 dimensions of wellness within you. The 8 dimensions of wellness aim to contextualize what it means to work on your well-being. These 8 dimensions are occupational, intellectual, environmental, financial, social, physical, emotional, and spiritual. What does each dimension of wellness represent? Financial wellness is the state in which you are in control of your finances. Environmental wellness encourages interaction with nature and your environment. Intellectual wellness is having an open mind, which allows you to accept new ideas and expand your knowledge. Occupational wellness is the ability to achieve a work-life balance and enjoy your professional career. Spiritual wellness is instilling a set of values into yourself, which will enable you to seek your life's purpose and meaning. Emotional wellness is getting a better understanding of your feelings and not letting stress control your life. Physical wellness relates to your health. Physical wellness encourages us to be conscious of our daily habits and realize how they influence our health. Social wellness refers to how you perform your social roles and network with others. Working on all dimensions of wellness will help you improve your health, well-being, and lifespan. They are all essential for happy and balanced living. lunOcto will provide you with the platform to guide you towards self-discovery. lunOcto's mission is to enrich these dimensions of wellness with innovative value and build on what came before. Complete your lunOcto wellness assessment test today and start down the path towards positive change.